everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore ideas, experiences, and knowledge that help us understand people, emotions, and society better. But before anything else, allow us to formally introduce ourselves first. This is Ingrid Banek and I am the RT1 representative.
I am Eliani Nicole Picoveros, RT2 representative. I'm Gian Angel Limbarok from RT3 representative.
And I am Mary Carmel Pihipos, RT5 representative. In this channel, we talk about topics related to mental health, personal development, and the different fields in the applied social sciences.
For today's vlog, we prepared something very informative and meaningful for students like us. Because today, we will be learning more about guidance counseling and the important role it plays in helping individuals grow and overcome challenges.
Go! And this is My Mother's Speech! Before we start our interview, let us first understand what is guidance counseling. Guidance counseling is a professional service that helps individuals understand themselves better, solve personal problems, and also help guide people through emotional, social, academic, and career concerns.
In schools, guidance counseling is very important because students experience different kinds of challenges, such as academic pressure, stress, personal struggles, and something even confusing about their future careers.
Guidance counselors help students discover their strengths, improve their decision-making skills, and build confidence in facing the challenges in life.
They also provide a safe place where students can freely share their thoughts and feelings without fear of being judged.
That is why guidance counselor is very important. It reminds us that we are not alone in facing our struggles and that there are professionals ready to guide and support us. And now that we have already a better understanding of guidance counseling, without further ado, let's begin our interview. Now, we are honored to interview a person who is a guidance counselor who continuously helps other people to grow emotionally, socially, and academically.
Thank you so much for giving us your time, ma'am. Before we begin our question, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
So, maayong adlaw, maayong gabi. To all the viewers, kinsa man ang mga viewers ninyo. Have a good day. Ako I am Maria Gemma Solana ko before when I was single in Solon na when married na. I currently the guidance counselor of Bohol Island State University main campus. I worked as guidance counselor for almost 19 years. I worked also as before I became a guidance counselor. My previous work was a human resource. Ako sa HR for after graduation. HR. So, sige. I will give justice to your interview tonight or today. Natubag na ko yung mga questions sa inyong mga siya.
Sino ni para ni mo?
Unya, I hope na ang viewers maka-learn something out from this short videos.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time tonight.
Ready na ka for your first question, ma'am? Okay, your first question, ma'am, is we would like to know more about your journey. So, ma'am, why did you become a guidance counselor?
Why do I become a guidance counselor? Actually, it's a long story, no? psychology. It was computer science because at that time, way back, gusto mo ko nag-graduate sa Huli. Graduate ko sa HTA. Yes, I'm a I'm an alumna. Proud alumna of HTA. Ni-graduate ko murag, graduate ko, no, 1999-2000. Batch mi ni Konsehal Ray Supanga. Kasi taga Lobok. Wala. Batch mi ni Mayor Hala from Lobok. Sila ako mga kabatchmate. So, my first course was not psychology but computer science. Kaya at that time, grabe ka-uso may pag-boom sa computer. Unya, kanilaging may ngunta nga peer pressure, may ngun ang mga classmate, uy, mag-kumsay ta, mag-IT ta, kay mauni, computer ni, mo ni uso ron, mo ni trend ron. So, at that time, when I was in high school, wala pa ng career guidance. Wala pa na nangitabo. Ang guidance counselor, it was that, at that time, I think si Sir Imboy, ilan pa mo Sir Imboy, o siya may designate pero teacher mo ba si Sir Imboy? Yeah. O to nga, wala pa dyan ingon nga, ni-function ang office sa guidance at the time, kaya dili pa dyan siya, as in office nga, nalay guidance office, pero mauna, kanang, it's more on disciplinary. Maumang muna concept na, quote-unquote, concept na to sa una. Kung ipatawag ka sa guidance, inyo din ko nakasa ka dahil, nakasa ka, kasi, mo na nga, quote-unquote, ang atong, it's a misconception, no, na, napag-guidance ko, ipatawag ko sa guidance, patay, nga naman eh. So, in ana siya, to make the story short, ni-enroll ko sa Cebu, sa UC, inigusod mo sa UC, tanang courses na gibutang nila, computer science, computer engineering, education, psychology, o ba ko kailan sa psychology, sa unang unsa na siyang mananapan na, wala lang, unsa may nailhan, daghan kay naglinya, nga gusto mo pa-enroll sa Komsay, so dito pod ko, nilinya. So, wala pa ito entrance exam before, dili also, basta private school, wala na kayo ng entrance exam kay they need students. Unlike mga state colleges like BISU nga, kung ano magandang BISU ka ng ang students are limited. Maski pag ang imong score is di-qualify ka sa score, pero once ka magkat-upan ka, inadjud ka. Kay yung psychology lang sa BISU, ang intake sa exam is more or less 900 to 1,000. Ang kuhaon is only 120. So, asa man tong 800, 800, no? Nana. Yeah. It came from mga prominent nga schools like HTA, Wisdom, Ichenyo, Vidite. Inana ba? So, ano siya? Enroll ko, dali na kay one day, nahuman ako enroll. And then, so good na klase, June, excited kayo, kasi na first year, no? Excited kayo, no? Tunga-tunga sa semester, na naman midayoy, usak ka, major subject. Okay pa to kay bro, sani, dili pa kayo siya, complicated na major, short, kamay lang yung ako, daming gamay, inana-inana, needs analysis lang siya. Okay pa to, kaya pa. Second sem, uy, na naman ni math, ka math, mabitaw nag-ibaw, medyo ko ganag math actually. I don't like numbers, but I like money. Joke. Wala lang ko nagtanaw sa prospectus daan sa subject basta kay enroll ko kaning puso ako naguna-una o kaya ba na sani suba. So second sem isa po di ay nga nganong enroll ko o computer science is usa siya sa accredited na scholar ng pulahay ko sa UC. Hindi basta-basta nasa huli, gabi ng huli, no? So, nadawat ko og academic scholar sa UC. Naami maintaining grade nga 2.0 per subject, 2.0, 85. Sa inyuha pa na, 85. Hindi ko pag first year, first sem, Filipino, subject pa, 1.9. Filipino 1. Pagka second sem, uy, na mo ang major subject, pinisok na. Na naman yung sa maning Turbo Pascal, sa maning, uy, laki ang mga subjects na, kung college na mo. Kaya, wala'y nakaguide na mo, maski sa UC, wala'y nakaguide na mo nga counselor na maunay na kinahanglan ka mag-analyze, mag-tuon. Kung gusto mo mag-pamsay, no, mag-programmer, kanang will-versed mo o saan nga math? Kanang ka XY algebra. Gamit ka ng algebra. X plus 1 plus X sub 2 equals Y plus 1 plus Y sub 2 equals Y na sub 10. Ano no? Second sub. Hala, uy, ginoo ko na usa naman eh. Sura naman eh. Ya, nakuchi, Filipino to na po. Sorry ha. Or sa teacher ba ka ito na hindi ganahan sa mga Filipino. Nakuchi, Filo. Filo nga subject. She is a woman. She is a monkey. Therefore, she is a one. Saan naman yung mga subjects sa kanana din ng college? Dahil lang sa high school kay Pino, English, Lapi, nanay. But anyways, pag abot sa final exam, ang ako ang usa ka major subject, 2.1, patay. Nagbong ako ang start ko. So, lahi man dito, once na dili na ka matakta ka sa academic scholar, sawon ka sa ilahang working scholar, meaning working scholar ka mura kag sa kung sa HNU striver, you work 4 hours a day with allowance and free 1 meal. Mauna sa UC. So nasayangan na sila nako kay kadto ra ko sa, so automatic gi daghan ni automatic gisaw mi sa working scholar. Tud man na-assign ko sa criminology nga department. So puro laki. Unya akong type ng personality before is very shy type. Di ka nagitagpugin siya. Nga no, so nga mura kog na culture shock sa criminology department kay uy, daghan naman yung laki, ginoo ko inig-agi ni mo sa koridor, inig-agi ni mo, uy, bro, ikaw may tanawon. Pero, dili na dyan ni maong. So, ato ko sa, I need to talk to a guidance counselor. Ano man? Di ba ko alam ka? Kanang akadami kasi problema. Mo naman, ako ka-maintain sa cut-off. Siya, bitaw, nakasalista din. Kinala ko ka naman ng istoryahan, itatawag na na. Ano man eh, hindi ginakaya ang programming mga ay, gusto kaayo 2.2, doon siya na po makaya ang 2.0. Sige lang kay ang mga parihan mo o case desaw naman sa kwan ko, bitaw mo ang gignan nidaan na siya, sige na, bago ni guidance counselor yan naman ang guidance ko very ka ng kami ka ng guidance counselor mature na very malamanay mo istorya mo sana ato day nya doy tutok sa Diyos ni na jugo nga ma'am pwede mo shift ko kinsa man yung nagpili sa imong kurso diha pa siya ni ana actually ma'am to be honest ba ko kay baw sa kong kurso nga gi kuha ang ako lang is kung unsay uso kung unsay sa mong mga ka-batchmate unsay ning sila kurso mao na